In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Instagram app and then tap right here to head over to your Instagram profile. Then tap Add Menu and tap Add Settings and Privacy. Then get into Account Center. Down below here we can easily find the personal details. Then tap Add Account Ownership and Control, Deactivation or Deletion. On the next step, select your Instagram account that you would like to temporarily deactivate. Deactivate account setting is selected by default, so in here we just need to tap Add Continue. On the next step, you will be asked to enter your Instagram password. Just enter it, and once you've done that, tap Add Continue. On the next step, select any reason why you are deactivating your Instagram account. It doesn't really matter what you choose. I'm just gonna select Just Need a Break, and then scroll down and hit Continue. After that, we can easily deactivate our account by tapping right here at that button. It says that you are about to temporarily deactivate your account. You can reactivate your account at any time through Account Center or by logging into your Instagram account. To continue, tap right here. And after a couple of seconds, it says that my account is deactivated now. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.